class, welcome to Unit 4. We're going to be doing chemical and nuclear reactions. I know they sound scary, but we're going to talk about those. In particular, we're going to be discussing nuclear radiation in medicine. So that will be our discussion board for this unit. Kind of what do you think they could do to improve? Are they using it wisely? Some things to consider is maybe like what is approved, like because sometimes insurance has a say and they'll approve certain things instead of using like newer, more isolation methods. They have approved some older methods that expose people to more radiation, but that's what's covered by insurance and that's what people can afford. So just something to think about. You have an article that you will be reading and referencing. You're welcome to do your own research as well, but that'll be what we're discussing for the unit. And then your project options. I did not mean to edit that. But you'll have your virtual option, which is pretty easy. It's probably the easiest lab. So the rest of this is can be a little bit hard to grasp, but this one is really easy. There's the video there. It walks you through in like 5 minutes. You'll see. So it's nice to have an easy lab from time to time, especially when it's a little math oriented. So don't be afraid. Watch the video and you will do amazing. For the hands-on and honors lab, I'll do a quick preview of that if you choose that instead. This is on temperatures of chemical reactions. So you are going to need some things so that you could test some different temperatures of these different reactions. You're welcome to do it. You can do it just for fun. So you'll need styrofoam cups as one of the things. And I know not all of us have those readily available. You've already passed the list. Yeah, you're exploring those names. I'll put the list of the items that you need. Normally it's just right there, but yeah, there we go. 2 white styrofoam coffee cups, distilled water, baking soda, like a damp rid moisture absorber. I found that at the dollar store. It's basically just a container of moisture absorber, especially in humid places. People will just have a container that you can open up. So that's where I got mine. And then vinegar. You may be able to use the moisture absorber packets in like that you'll find in like vitamins or things like that. That might work, but you do need a couple tablespoons. So you might need to save them up for a little bit. Anyway, that's something that you'll do for the hands-on lab, but the other one's way easy and I challenge you all to do it. If you guys have any questions, we have our normal like exam and checkpoints and this is the project. Here's your submission page where you would submit either the hands-on or the virtual, kind of our standard operation. And I do put both options here so they're quick and easy to get to. If you have any questions, let me know, but I hope you find it interesting. It's really applicable. I'm sure you guys have all been affected in some way, shape, or form by radiation or nuclear. Like we're all exposed to it and don't realize it most of the time. So it'll be good to know a little more about it. Enjoy and let me know if you have any questions.